Good morning, guys. So, change of plans. Hubby wants me to help him finish his patio. So, we're going to do that while it's cool-ish. It's, what is it, 8 o'clock? It's 8 o'clock and it actually kind of cool this morning. Cool. It's 80 degrees. But it doesn't feel as humid. So, he wants me to help him with the patio. We're going to clean, wash it down. It doesn't normally look like this. The reason it looks like that is because he was doing all these plantings. So he's going to move all these plants somewhere. Because he repotted them, separated them. I think I mentioned this before. Because these little bromeliads grow babies, so he split them apart. This one has a baby on it. You didn't split that one.
No.
Why? You couldn't? Yeah, so, oh no, I don't feel like doing fast forward on this or anything like that. So I'm just going to show you before and after. I've done fast forward of this patio before and stuff. So, yeah, so we went for our golf cart ride this morning. It was gorgeous. It was nice. It wasn't humid. So we're starting to get a break in the weather in the morning. Now we just need to get work on the daytime. So yeah, our yard needs a lot of work. These are pretty though. These are this is Wandering Jew, and look at the purple flowers that have come out on it. They're gorgeous. It's not picking it up on camera. It's blurring it out for some reason. I don't know. There we go. That's better. They're so pretty. That stuff grows crazy. You have to cut it back, otherwise it will take over. Anyway, so we're going to get to work, and I will give you an occasional update on it. I don't even know what to do with that. That's a mess. This is not looking good, this hanging plant. What happened to it?
It looks good on the other side.
You think, what? That's weird. Yeah. I don't understand what happened there. All right. Gonna get started. Head start on me. I think you need to retire so you can help me all the time. You did a good job. So this is all clear so I can wash it down. Yeah, so what I meant by a change of plans is I had planned on doing, I forgot if I had said that, finishing my whole house clean thing. So I'm gonna do this first and take a shower and give a rest and maybe pick up where I left off yesterday. We shall see. So I'm gonna get the hose and start cleaning this. Alright guys, we're done for now. It's 12 o'clock, so we've been out here since 8:30, babe?
Sort of like that.
Yeah. So we kind of mostly got only this section done here. So we cleaned it. I cleaned the screens really good with the push broom, some soap and water, and I brushed the screens with the push broom. That's the best way to do that. And we're still arranging the plants. We're not sure how we want it. We put the Hong Kong Phooey fountain over here. It's I don't know. Do you know if you know who Hong Kong Phooey is, raise your hand. Anyway, that is from a cartoon from the 1970s. Anyway, that's not what that is, but it looks like Hong Kong Phooey, so that's what we call it, the Hong Kong Phooey fountain, which doesn't even work. It needs a new pump or something. No? What's it need? Alright. Okay. So we're not sure the arrangements of the plants and stuff. There was another plant thing here, so we put the coffee table here. I kind of like the openness of this. If you remember, I got new cushions for that chair. And I didn't get one for the stool, so I'm going to get it. And I'm going to order some new cushions for that chair too, right? You said I could do that, right? Alright, so these are all the plants that we don't know what to do with. They're not all staying. They're just there corralled temporarily. We have a few plants here. We're going to work on this next weekend too. It's just going to take some time to figure out how we want it because we're rearranging. That's a mess. That's hubby's mess. Don't know what we're going to do with that. So we have some plants here. We have, this is the plant stand that was over there in the sitting area. We put it here. I think it's gonna stay there. And the table's a mess, which I would like to clean that up. Maybe I'll do that sometime this week. But it's cool enough to sit out here now. It's not bad like right now. But these fans, ceiling fans suck. We need new ceiling fans. How long have I been saying that for? So this area is still a little dirty. When they did this patio, the previous owners, they did not do it right. So the water does not drain. It's supposed to drain out the door, and it all goes back that way. Anyway, there's still some dirt. So I moved this. It was against here, and I moved it catty corner, kitty corner. Which is it? Anyway, whatever way it is, that's got all kinds of crap in there that he's cleaned out, honestly. I was starting to clean it out, and hubby's like, what are you doing? I'm like, I'm going to clean it out. And he says, just leave it alone. We'll do it later. Anyway, there's like plant food and all that kind of stuff. So we're going to put another pot like that here with something in it. And then I think we're going to put something behind here. There's enough room down there to put a small pot and something tall here for that corner. And of course, that's all the stuff we were working on outside to clean up all the plants and stuff. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 nice pots still. I don't know. I don't think they're all coming in here. All right. So I am going to go take a shower. And, yeah, I'm going to get something to eat. And I got to go to the nursing home because it's my mom's birthday. Yeah, so I'm going to do that. And we'll see what else I get done. I don't know if I'm going to finish my whole house cleaning or not. Well, we shall see.
Grab a road, I'm filled with promises. Truth is hard to bear, sometimes I'm told. Hope builds up as we grow old. Grab a road, send me an extra hello. Your whisper set dawn our soft. Greeting morning's gentle touch. Oh, what glorious days. Nature smitten me with your grace. After 1,000 miles of singing songs, tall grass branches, swans and ponds. Promises are fleeting thoughts. I merely connect the dots. Your whispers set dawn our soft. Greeting morning's gentle touch. Oh, what glorious days. Nature smitten me with your grace. Your whispers set dawn are soft. Greeting morning's gentle touch. Oh, what glorious days.
You guys didn't think I was going to wear that yellow ribbon, do you? Okay, it is 1:30. I need to leave here around 2-ish. So, we had leftovers last night from that Mexican restaurant, so we're gonna share, and some chicken nuggets from Chick-fil-A too. That's what we're eating for lunch, breakfast, lunch, brunch, whatever. I like how my hair came out again today, so yeah. But y'all tell me about this shirt. I've had this shirt for a couple of months and I haven't worn it. I like how it goes down. Whoops. Look at how it goes down in the back. But it feels too short in the front. I don't know. I guess it on camera it doesn't look too bad. When I'm looking in the mirror, I don't know. I'm wondering if I'm going to be tugging on it. I've tried it on several times. I'm like, I don't know. It feels too short because, you know, I'm a big girl and the shorter your shirt, the wider you look. I don't know. I guess it's okay. I don't know. It's awful cute though. I love the embroidery on the shoulder. I think I got it from, where did I get it from? Marshall's? All right, I'm gonna go see my mom. It's her birthday. Actually, it's her birthday tomorrow, so all the family's gonna be there. Well, I don't know. I don't know who's gonna be there. I know my dad's going to be there, and my sister. I don't know who else, so.
Nature's meant me with your
I don't think I'm gonna get any more cleaning done today.
After 1,000 miles of singing songs, tall grass branches, swans and ponds, promises are fleeting thoughts. I merely connect the dots. Your whispers at dawn are soft, greeting morning's gentle touch. Oh, what glorious days. Nature's met me with your grace.
What if the sky should fall? Just as long as we're together, it really doesn't matter at all. When we've all had the troubles and parted, we'll be the same as we started. Just driving along, singing a song, side by side. How much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away.
Okay guys, I did not intend to stay that long. It's already 4:18. I'm going to Publix to pick up a few things. I don't know. Plus, gas cards are on sale this time, so you buy $50 worth of groceries and you can get a $50 gas card for $40. So I'm at least gonna get one of those because I'm sure I would spend at least $50. I don't feel like doing a whole grocery run, but we do need a few things. We need something for tonight's dinner, so my hair is looking mighty white today. Oh my goodness. All right, so going to Publix. Oh, and yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get any cleaning done when I get back. I'm tired. I knew that was gonna happen if I help hubby, but you know, he only has the weekends to do that, so yeah, I'll figure out something. I was hoping to get the whole house refresh done, so I can have a good week. I doubt seriously that'll happen tomorrow either because I'm going to the gym tomorrow with the trainers, so alright, going to Publix. Okay guys, I'm headed home. I'm gonna call that the end of the vlog because just like that, it's 5:51. Oh my gosh. So yeah. So I'm gonna go home and put the groceries away and start on dinner. Although we're gonna want it late because we just seem like we just ate. I only eat twice a day pretty much. Ever since I did that intermittent fasting, that's kind of what I do. And sometimes I have a snack in between. I don't eat 3 meals anymore. It seems to be helping me maintain my weight. So I'm not losing right now, but I'm not gaining. I did lose 8 pounds when I did the intermittent fasting. So I'm gonna do it again as a cleanse here and there. Anyway, so I'm gonna end this and add some footage at the end of this video as an outro, like I seem to be doing in these vlogs. And yeah. Until next time, guys, enjoy your day.